YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is my new setup for 2021. Starting off with our peripherals: external microphone, Hoco headset, in-play keyboard, Razer mouse, soon to be Razer keyboard, soon to be. We have LG monitor. My other monitor is still in repair, so I don't know if I'm shooting this at the correct time. Anyways, moving on to our CPU. Oh yeah, this thing is actually wall mounted. I can move it here. As you can see, it's wall mounted. Yeah, that's the good stuff. And now moving on to my CPU. It's a T8 case. I don't know what brand, but it's T8 case. We have AMD AMD3 as our processor. 10 GeForce 1050 Ti GPU, and in play for our power supply. Now to show you some proof that let's log in my account there. Shit, was that included in the video? I don't know, I don't care. Anyways, don't mind those refreshments. Let's pour ourselves some refreshments because this is good for the body. Oh yeah, you can hear it sizzle. Yeah. Okay. So moving on, the xdiag. Run that command so you can see your specs. Oh, come on. I have so many startup applications. Okay, there you go. Oh, come on. Fudge off. Come on. The display is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti with VRAM of 4 gig. Yeah. So what else? Oh yeah, there we go. Ryzen 3 2200G with Radeon Vega graphics, which I don't need. Let me show you what it looks like with the lights off. Give me a second, cause my switch is up to the ceiling. Okay, and there you go. That's what it looks like with. Yeah, there you go. I don't know if this is a good. To be honest, I'm gonna replace my intro video in my YouTube channel with this one. So I hope this is a good video. You can see my keyboard. It has a breathing effect, which you can do with function with this. You can select from stationary or breathing mode. Yeah, there you go. That's the only mode. Yeah, I know. This is a cheap ass keyboard, I know. I'm gonna buy a Razer keyboard once this keyboard will retire. And there you go. That's what it looks like from the inside. It has 2, 4, 6 fans. 2 in front, 2 on top, and 2 more at the back. Yeah, there you go. So that's it. That's my build for 2021. I'll see you guys again next time. See ya!